Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. So I'm going to show you guys, check out my eyeliner. I'm going to show you guys how to do this. This is the easiest in the entire world of how to do eyeliner and to have that beautiful, perfect wing. This eyeliner tip is the easiest for anybody and looks super professional. You can screw it up a billion times and you're gonna look great. So I hope you guys really enjoy this video. And if you do, before we get to that like zoomed in video clip, because I'm gonna get super close to my eye, if you could hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. Let's go ahead and get to that video clip. Okay, so all I have done is I took a piece of tape and I placed it from the corner of my eye all the way up to the corner of my eyebrow. Now I'm gonna do this in brown so you guys can see how pretty this looks in any color. So what you're going to do is you're going to take a very flat brush. This is a flat brush. You can see that it's not super flat, but it's flat enough. You're going to take a flat brush and you're going to draw a straight line like this onto the tape. So when I say a straight line, you guys can see how I just went straight across to hit my the middle of my eye here. Now when I'm doing this, I'm actually pushing the product into the eyelashes. And you guys can see I'm not being really neat. I'm just kind of like going back and forth in these motions side by side. And what it does is right here, it's a little tougher for me, so it kind of goes slower. What it does when you go side to side like this, it fades it to give this nice faded line. Now I'm going to bring this up a tad bit more just for demonstration purposes. So when I say a tad bit more, I'm going to make this higher. I'm going to make it higher right here, making our super thick line, my big thick wing. Look at that. And even though I'm not being neat and I'm just kind of like pushing it all over, going back and forth, when I take off this tape, you're going to be really surprised. Okay, so let me get the corner. And even if you can't get your corner, it's fine because everything else is so soft, it's just going to blend seamlessly with any look that you have. So you guys can see my corner is not really super dark. Okay, so I know you're waiting to see what it looks like. So you take it off. You always pull your tape up. And it's good to have a moisturizer under the tape so it doesn't stick to your skin so bad. And you guys can see that. It is a perfect, beautiful, sharp, and clean eyeliner look. Okay guys, so check out the eyeliner. What do you guys think? It looks really good, doesn't it? I think so. And I hope you guys enjoyed this little tip. I really, honestly, this is the God honest truth, how I put on my eyeliner a lot of times because it looks flawless. Like I can screw up, especially like if I have a hard time seeing so close up, I can screw up and it looks great on anyone. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this tip. If you did, please hit that thumbs up button, the little subscribe button, and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. You guys go ahead and let me know whether you like this tip or not. And doesn't it look so pretty? That's a chocolate dark brown. That's not black. Chocolate dark brown. Looks good. And you can do this with colored eyeshadows as well, which is a lot of fun. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye.